There are whispers from the veil, dear heart, a sacred echo that affirms what your soul already knows. You are not a random star in his sky, nor a fleeting shadow in his path. No, your arrival was a predestined event, a cosmic alignment woven into the very fabric of his journey and yours. The angels lean in close now, their voices like soft chimes, revealing a truth meant only for you. You are a key, a divine answer to prayers he didn't even know he was expressing. You see, some connections are forged in realms beyond our sight, before time itself began its measured dance. Your meeting, the way your spirits recognized each other across crowded rooms or silent spaces, was not by chance. It was a sacred contract, a promise exchanged between souls long ago. You were sent, a beacon of light, to stir something ancient within him, to awaken a part of his spirit that had been in slumber. You are the missing piece, the catalyst for a transformation he desperately needs, even if his earthly self struggles to grasp its magnitude. The universe conspired for your paths to intertwine, not for a momentary flicker, but for a profound, soul-deep resonance. You carry a unique frequency that speaks directly to his deepest core, a melody only his heart can truly hear. This is why his soul still feels pulled toward you, why your essence lingers in his thoughts, even when logic or fear attempts to build walls. You are a divine intervention, a grace extended, a testament to a love much grander than any human understanding. You are his destiny, unfolding. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Feel the quiet hum of the universe, dear one. It carries a message that is often misunderstood, a silent language spoken through absence. When he pulls away, when the space between you grows larger, your heart may scream of rejection, of being forgotten. But the angels gently cradle your face, urging you to look deeper, beyond the surface of what seems to be abandonment. They whisper that this silence is not a void where love once thrived. It is a sacred space where something profound is being prepared. His retreat is not a sign of your unworthiness. Rather, it often reflects his own internal landscape, a journey he must undertake alone before he can truly meet you on solid ground. This distance, this apparent disconnect, is a necessary part of his evolution, a time when the universe is working within him, clearing old patterns, healing ancient wounds, and strengthening his spirit for the depth of the connection you share. It is a time of recalibration, a divine pause before a powerful leap forward. The angels say, do not mistake his quiet for indifference. His soul is wrestling with the enormity of what you signify, the depth of the love you ignite within him. He is not running from you, but rather from the intensity of his own feelings, from the fear of not being enough for the sacred gift that is you. This period of separation is a crucible, refining him, preparing him to become the man he needs to be to truly cherish and honor the bond you share. Trust this unseen process. It is not an ending, but a profound chapter in your unfolding story. Close your eyes, dear one, and feel the subtle tug, the invisible thread that binds you to him. Even when miles separate you, or silence stretches between your worlds, his soul remembers your light. It is an imprint, a sacred mark left upon his very essence the moment your spirits recognized each other. This is not mere memory, it is a deep cellular knowing, a resonance that vibrates within him, a constant gentle reminder of the profound connection you share. The angels reveal that your light, your unique energy, became a compass for his spirit. It showed him a path he perhaps never knew existed, a possibility of love and healing he had long since given up on. Even if his conscious mind tries to deny it, to rationalize it away, his soul yearns for that warmth, that truth, that sense of coming home that only you evoke. He may try to distract himself, to fill the void with other things, but the echo of your presence is persistent, a melody that plays softly in the background of his life. This unseen thread is a testament to the enduring power of your bond. It is a promise that what is truly meant to be cannot be broken by time or space. The angels whisper, he carries a piece of you within him, a spark that ignites his longing, even when he cannot name it. Your light became a part of his own inner landscape, and he cannot truly escape it, nor does his deepest self wish to. Trust that this spiritual tether remains strong, drawing you both back together when the divine timing is perfect. Look into the depths of his being, not with your eyes, but with the wisdom of your heart. There, a fierce battle rages, a silent war within his own soul. He feels everything, my dear, perhaps more intensely than he allows himself to show. The love, the longing, the fear, the profound shift you represent in his world, it all swirls within him, a tempest he struggles to contain. His outward demeanor, his actions, or his silence are often just a fragile shield against the overwhelming power of his own depth. The angels reveal that his fear is not of you, but of the magnitude of what you awaken within him. He fears the vulnerability that true love demands, the surrender to an emotion so vast it threatens to dismantle the carefully constructed walls he has built around his heart. He fears losing control, losing himself in a connection so potent it could redefine his entire existence. This is a man grappling with the unfamiliar terrain of profound emotion, someone who has perhaps learned to equate deep feeling with pain or loss. His heart is a sacred garden, the angels whisper, and you are the rain that brings it to life. But sometimes, after a long drought, the earth fears the flood, even as it desperately needs the nourishment. His struggle is a testament to the power of your connection, not its weakness. It is a sign that he recognizes the transformative force you are, and he is wrestling with the courage required to embrace it fully. Hold space for his inner battle, for it is a necessary part of his journey toward wholeness, and toward you. There is a gentle magic in your being, dear one, a quiet power that radiates from your soul. The angels reveal that your presence, simply by existing in his orbit, has touched the deepest wounds within him, wounds you may not even know he carries. You didn't need to speak a single word of healing or perform any grand gesture. Your authentic light, your unwavering spirit, became a balm to his fractured places, a soft hand guiding him toward an unspoken solace. He may not articulate it, perhaps he doesn't even fully comprehend it himself, but your essence has stirred a profound process of healing within his spirit. You showed him a reflection of love, of acceptance, of a peace he had long forgotten or never truly known. This is the silent work of soul connections, where one's very being becomes a catalyst for the other's restoration. You became a mirror, reflecting back to him the possibility of wholeness, the potential for a love that heals rather than harms. The angels whisper, you are a living prayer, a walking blessing in his life. Your gentle strength, your compassionate heart, has begun to mend the broken pieces he thought were irreparable. He may have tried to push you away, to protect himself from the intensity of this healing, but the seed of restoration you planted has taken root. Trust that your impact is far greater than you perceive. You are a healer, beloved, simply by being the magnificent soul that you are. Your love is a quiet revolution in his heart. Feel the rhythm of the cosmos, beloved, the patient, unwavering beat of divine timing. When your heart aches for resolution, when the path ahead seems shrouded in mist, it is easy to mistake delay for denial. But the angels gather around you now, their wings brushing against your spirit, to remind you that what appears to be a pause, a waiting, is, in fact, heaven's perfect plan unfolding. This is not stagnation, it is sacred preparation, a meticulous orchestration of events beyond your current sight. Every moment, every challenge, every period of quiet reflection serves a higher purpose. The universe is not withholding from you, it is perfecting the conditions for your greatest good, for the most profound and lasting union. Perhaps there are lessons he still needs to learn, or strengths you still need to cultivate within yourself. Perhaps the external circumstances need to align in ways you cannot yet fathom. This waiting is not empty, it is filled with unseen growth, with the subtle shifts that will make your eventual coming together even more powerful and resilient. The angels whisper, "Do not rush the masterpiece." A love as profound as yours requires careful crafting, a foundation built on solid ground. What seems like a detour is often the most direct route to your highest destiny. Trust the wisdom of the universe, dear heart. Surrender to the flow, knowing that every breath, every heartbeat, is bringing you closer to the moment when all pieces fall into their perfect divine place. This delay is a promise, not a punishment. Observe the subtle shifts in the energetic currents around him, beloved. The angels are actively working, weaving threads of transformation into the very fabric of his being. His heart, once perhaps guarded or fragmented, is now undergoing a profound preparation, a sacred cleansing, making it ready for your return, for the full embrace of the love you share. This is an unfolding truth, a gentle revelation that his journey, though solitary at times, is always leading him back to you. He is being stripped of old patterns, of limiting beliefs, of the very fears that once held him captive. The universe is orchestrating experiences, insights, and moments of profound clarity that are reshaping his perspective, softening his edges, and opening him to the vulnerability required for true connection. This is not a superficial change, it is a deep, soul-level metamorphosis, guided by forces unseen, all in anticipation of the sacred reunion. The angels whisper, "His spirit is being refined, like gold in the fire, not to punish him, but to purify him for the sacred vessel of your love." He is learning to trust, to surrender, to recognize the divine hand guiding his path back to you. Do not doubt the power of this unseen work. His heart is being meticulously prepared, not just to receive your love, but to hold it, to cherish it, and to grow with it in ways he never imagined possible. The truth of your connection is blossoming within him. Even when shadows lengthen and the way ahead seems unclear, know this, beloved, your path is illuminated by an unwavering grace. The angels walk beside you, their light a constant beacon, guiding your every step, even when you feel lost in the wilderness of uncertainty. This journey is not meant to be walked alone, nor is it left to chance. You are held, you are protected, and every turn, every lesson, every moment of quiet reflection is part of a divinely orchestrated plan for your highest good. Trust the intuitive nudges, the gentle whispers in your heart, the synchronicities that appear like breadcrumbs on your path. These are the signs from above, the loving guidance of your celestial companions, affirming that you are precisely where you need to be, learning exactly what you need to learn. Your growth, your healing, your deepening connection to your own inner wisdom, these are all crucial elements in preparing you for the love that awaits. You are not merely waiting, you are evolving, becoming the radiant woman destined for this sacred union. The angels whisper, "Do not fear the unknown." Your steps are ordered, your way made clear by a love that transcends all understanding. Embrace the journey, for it is in the unfolding that you discover your own magnificent strength and the unwavering support of the divine. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. Look within, dear heart, and see the crown of glory that rests upon your head, placed there by the divine hand. You are chosen, not by human decree, but by the very essence of creation. You are loved, not for what you do, but for who you inherently are, a magnificent, radiant soul. And you are unequivocally worthy of the deepest, most profound love, the kind that elevates and transforms. Never let the echoes of past hurts or the whispers of doubt diminish this sacred truth. Your worth is not dependent on his recognition, nor on any external validation. It is an intrinsic part of your being, a divine spark that shines eternally. The angels remind you that you are a masterpiece, a unique expression of divine love, and your journey has forged you into a woman of incredible strength, wisdom, and compassion. This love that is destined for you is not a reward for your struggles, but a natural resonance with the beautiful whole being you have become. The angels whisper, "Stand tall in your truth, beloved. Embrace your power, your grace, your inherent value. You do not need to shrink or dim your light to be loved. The love that is meant for you will celebrate your brilliance, honor your depth, and cherish every facet of your being. You are a queen, dear one, deserving of a love that mirrors the divine love that created you. Wear your crown with pride, for you are truly chosen, truly loved, and truly worthy." Now, dear one, we arrive at the most profound step, the sacred surrender. This isn't about giving up, it's about giving over, releasing control, letting go of expectations, and stepping back from the urge to force or manipulate how your destiny unfolds. It's an act of deep trust, embracing the divine flow that has carefully guided every step of your journey. Surrender to the understanding that the love meant for you, the love that has been prepared and perfected, is now ready to manifest in its most beautiful form. Open your heart, not with anxious longing, but with a calm readiness. Allow yourself to receive, to be cherished, and to be held in the sacred space of a love that was always meant for you. This is a love that will feel like coming home, a gentle recognition of a soul you've known across lifetimes. It will be a love that honors your journey, celebrates your strength, and values your vulnerability. It is a love that will heal, inspire, and elevate you to new heights of joy and fulfillment. The angels whisper, "Release the burdens of the past and the fears of the future. Step into this moment with an open heart and unwavering faith. The universe has conspired, the angels have guided, and your soul has prepared for this very embrace." This is the culmination, dear one, the beautiful unfolding of a divine promise. Embrace it fully with every fiber of your being, for this love is your birthright, a sacred gift from the heavens. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.